Hello friend, welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. We are continuing with our series on noun prefixes, and now we are on class 6. If you've missed the first 5 classes of nouns in isiZulu language, please click on the link above. For class 6, the singular prefixes are u and ulu, and the plural prefixes are izin and izim. Let's make some examples so that you can see what I'm talking about. uTHi, a stick. iziNTi, iziNTi, many sticks. Now you see there, friend, this word uTHi completely changes when it's in its plural form. We had uTHi, uTHi, and now for plural it is iziNTi. That's basically what happens with most of the words in this class. Uphondo, a horn. Izimpondo, horns. Uhlamvu, a leaf. iziNKamvu, leaves. Ufudu, a tortoise. Izimfudu, many tortoises. Uphawu, a symbol. Izimpawu, many symbols. Usizi, sadness. iziNsizi, plural. Ucingo, a wire or a telephone. iziNgcingo, plural, wires or telephones. Now a telephone is named after a wire, as in the wire that connects the telephone lines. uCezu, a piece or a slice. iziNgcezu, slices or pieces. Usiba, a feather. iziNsiba, feathers. Ulimi, a language. izilimi, languages. Izimpondo zendlovu zinhle. Izimpondo zendlovu zinhle. A horn is uphondo, and elephant's horns are called tusks. So elephant tusks are beautiful. Ucezu lwesinkwa, a slice of bread. Thank you, my friend. Ngiyabonga mngani. Sizobonana ngokulandelayo. See you next time. If you missed our previous lessons, please click right here. Cindezela la. Sizobonana ngokulandelayo. Sala kahle mngani.